Chapter 2. Animals and their habitats. Students could learn about different animals and the habitats they live in, and how they are adapted to their environments. Animals are adapted to their environments in a variety of ways, depending on the habitat in which they live. Here are some examples of different animals and the habitats they live in, and how they are adapted to their environments. Polar bears. Polar bears live in the Arctic region, which is characterized by freezing temperatures and a lack of vegetation. They have adapted to this environment by developing thick fur and a layer of fat for insulation, as well as webbed feet for swimming and hunting in the water. Giraffes. Giraffes live on the savanna in Africa, which is a dry and grassy habitat. They have long necks and legs that allow them to reach high branches for food, as well as a long tongue to grasp leaves and a specialized circulatory system to regulate blood flow to their heads. Koalas. Koalas live in eucalyptus trees in Australia, which is their primary source of food. They have adapted to this environment by having specialized digestive systems that can break down the toxic chemicals found in eucalyptus leaves, as well as strong gripping claws for climbing and sleeping in trees. Desert tortoises. Desert tortoises live in the deserts of North America, which is a harsh and arid environment. They have adapted to this environment by storing water in their bladders for long periods of time, as well as being able to burrow underground to escape the intense heat. Seahorses. Seahorses live in coral reefs, which is a complex and diverse habitat. They have adapted to this environment by having a prehensile tail for grasping onto coral, as well as the ability to change colors to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. These are just a few examples of how animals are adapted to their environments. By studying these adaptations, we can gain a better understanding of the diversity of life and how animals have evolved to survive in different habitats.